Okay, so what does part two of the culminating activity look like? So I will open this up. Um, and here's the expectation. So you're going to be looking specifically at Nuggets part one and Nuggets part two, the feedback that you got for those. Also, remember when you did your infographic, you did a part one and a part two of that. And then you also picked a story of choice. So all of this is under unit one. Uh, what I would do is open these pieces up. So when you open it, it should take you to your spot so that you can look at your feedback. Otherwise, I would open up in different tabs your feedback to those assignments. So once you've got your feedback opened up, so I would, if it was me, I would have 5 tabs going across the top where I'm open to the page with my rubrics and also opened to the page with my inline feedback. So once you've done that, you are going to then open this survey. So hold on, it's going to look a little different for me than when you guys open it. So when you open it, it's going to look like this. So what you've done before you start is review your feedback for all of these pieces. So your inline feedback and your rubric feedback. And I would recommend keeping the tabs open. Once you've done that, you're going to look at, okay, well, how did I do in writing an information paragraph? Where were my next steps in terms of moving forward? How did I rank under the criteria? So first of all, you're going to look at, did you read your sources carefully? So the first one was a video. Just assume it's like, watch it carefully, right? Your sources would be my instructions at that time. So how well did you follow that? So yes, no, sometimes I did. Did you take notes on the key points that can be grouped together? So you should see that directly on your rubric. So yes, no, sometimes I did. Did you use a unifying main idea about one specific aspect of your topic? So this is directly from your rubric. So yes, I did that in all of those assignments. No. Yes, I did it in the Nuggets video, but I didn't do as well on the infographic. Or so you might put sometimes. Did you write incomplete sentences? Did you provide a topic sentence that clearly states your main idea and specific aspects about your topic? So you're going to go through essentially all the rubric criteria for those assignments. Once you've done that, based on your answers here, you are going to write me a short paragraph similar to what you did in part one about what you think your next steps would be when you're writing an information paragraph in the future. So you might find that you know, maybe you didn't rank very well on using linking words to connect your ideas. So that might be your next step. So I want you to look based on your rubrics from the assignments, based on your inline feedback. How did you do? And then based on what you put in 1 to 12, you're going to write me a paragraph about what your next steps are going to be. So that will be part two of the assignment. Keeping in mind, you're looking at all from unit one, Nuggets part 1, 2, the infographic that you did. Most people did the one on pollution, 1 and 2, and then the story of choice. You had 3 different stories that you can choose from. So have a look at your feedback there. Rank yourself on the survey, and then tell me what you feel your next steps are going to be. So that is it for part 2.